Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Yahoo search engine appearing instead of Google. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So a couple of things that you can do is first head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar type in Chrome, and then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might cause the issues that you are facing. Just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your settings, and then once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Google app and then simply tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is you'll be provided with two options, offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what that does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been completed, all you have to do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.